Okay, before anything else, before I start blabbering here, I just want to tell you guys that this is not an in-depth review. This is not a first impressions video. This is not an educational video. This is just about me, me and my experiences and my choices with regards to camera. So how I see things, how I'm going to approach it. But this may help you or this may not. But I just want to warn you. Yeah, this is not a very educational one, but just to let you know what my thoughts are. Also, I'm really annoyed with this thing. It's my microphone and I need to have it there, but yeah. Okay, let's start. So yeah, I started to move to Sony 2 years ago. Was it 2 or 3 years? Something like that. I went to the A7 III and then I got the A9. So this is my workhorse camera. This is my favorite camera. It's silent, it's fast, it's very good. It works for me 100%. And then it's one of the oldest Sony. It's even older than the A7 III. This is where Sony got a grip of what's best for the camera, what's best for mirrorless. And this is where they showed everyone that, man, we can do it. Also, this thing is capable of updates. I mean, not upgrades, updates. So I just got an update with this years ago, and then the focusing is just like the new Sonys now. So this is a very good camera. And this is the A7C. Here it is. So this is the A7C with a grip. A7C is more of an upgrade, or not really an upgrade. This is more of a variant of the A7 III. It's just like the A7 III without the bulge here and everything. It's just a compact A7 III. It's not the best because it has its weaknesses compared to the A7 III. So for my photography and everything else, I use this camera here, the A9, because it doesn't have picture profile. This is one of my best camera. I love shooting with it. I'm planning to get one more, and yeah, that's it. I got this camera here just for videos then. And I was happy with it because this camera is tiny. This camera is just this. But if you're gonna do videos, this has no recording limit. This has a flip screen. This works. This works for video. So that's why I got this camera here. And the thing is, when the A7 IV was announced, I was like, man, that's a really good camera. That's like, it's gonna solve all my problems. Because if I'm just gonna have this camera here, this is just for photography, because it's a 24 megapixel. It's good for photography, but it doesn't have picture profiles. So that's lacking here. That's like, okay, but I really love this camera here. This one here does photography and videography. This one has good pixels. This has good autofocus, but it's not on par with regards to some capabilities of this, because this one can shoot silent. This one could not. This is like, I don't know. I don't know where to place this, which part, but this is not the best. This is more of an iteration of the entry-level camera from Sony. And A7 IV is one of their entry-level camera. It's like, it's not really a professional one, but you can use it for professional shooting. I don't know, I'm blabbering, I'm getting out of my topic, but yeah, okay. I love this for shooting. I do a lot of photography, I do a lot of videography. And I love this for shooting videos. I love this for shooting my gigs, my photography gigs. But I would really love a more professional camera with a joystick. This doesn't have a joystick. This has a joystick. This is a very, this is what I really wanted. It's just that I can't do much videos with this because it doesn't have the picture profiles for editing. And came out the A7 IV. The A7 IV is more of the A7 III upgraded. Like, it's good for photography, it's good for videography. And this doesn't have 10-bit S-Log colors. The A7 IV has S-Log 10-bit, S-Log 3 10-bit. So you can do a lot of things with regards to doing videos. Like right now I'm using the FX3 for videos, and I'm using 10-bit S-Log 3, and the colors are good. Dynamic range is good. It's one of the best video cameras that I have. So I want to have a camera wherein I can use it for photos and you can use it for videos. Like when I'm traveling, I can use that camera for taking photos, and I can do videos with it because The best camera for me is going to have S-Log3 10-bit, which that camera has, and it's around 24 megapixels or more. So the A7 IV has 33 megapixels, which is very good for photos. It has S-Log 10-bit, which that thing can do. Yeah, although it has its weaknesses like the 4K 60s around crop, but I'm thinking like that camera could satisfy my traveling needs. If I'm gonna do vlogging, traveling and vlogging and everything, I can take good photos with it. I can do an S-Log video out of it. This one here, I can do S-Log video, but this is a tiny travel camera. So I'm really tempted to get one, even though, yeah, I don't really need it now. That camera that's filming me now, it does good videos. It has 4K 60, 4K 120. It's S-Log. It's one of the best cameras for video. The only thing also with that camera that's filming me now is that if you're gonna do photos with it, it's just gonna be around 12 megapixels. 12 megapixels is like a tiny resolution. If I was using 12 megapixels around 10 years ago, then that should be a good camera. But yeah, we need more pixels now. Our computers has high resolution screens, where when you look at 12 megapixels, it's gonna be a small photo. So yeah, me as a gearhead, I want to have a camera that should satisfy my photo needs and my video needs also. I'm so tempted to get the A7R, A7 IV, not A7R4, A7 IV. But the thing is, I kept on thinking about my plans with regards to how I use my gears. So I put that camera, the FX3. I'm using the FX mainly for work videos. So when I'm working corporate weddings, I'm going to use that for videos mainly. So that's just going to be workhorse for videos. This one here is the workforce for photography. So A9. And this one here could do photography and videography also. So like, this is in the middle. If I'm gonna add the A7 IV, I might as well let this go and use that. But yeah, it's really tempting. It's really tempting. I'm this close to getting it, but I'm not. I'm just gonna get another A9. And yes, because the thing is, I love the silent shutter. I love the no black out of the screen, and I love that it's just a photography camera. When I'm doing photography, when I'm shooting weddings, when I'm shooting corporate, all I'm gonna think about when I'm gonna be using this camera is just to take photos. No, I won't be tempted to do videos. I might, yeah, it doesn't satisfy my videography needs with regards to the picture profiles. But yeah, I'm gonna stay with A9. Maybe get another one, 2 A9s for photography, one for videography, which is that FX3. This will be the backup camera. So this could be backing up that camera, but doesn't have a 10-bit. Just, I don't know. I'm gonna use the normal 8-bit picture profiles. This could be a backup photo camera also. This is in between. This is my travel camera. It's my selfie camera. I've even used a Sigma, a Samyang lens, which is so tiny. That way I can carry it everywhere I go. But yeah, upon hearing the announcement from Sony that they have the A7 IV, I was so tempted. I really want to have it. It's a bit expensive now though, but yeah, made up my mind. I'm gonna stay with my setup now and not get that. I don't know if it's gonna help you guys or whatever, and my light's getting dark. My face is starting to get dark. So anyway, yeah, I hope you get something from what I'm saying, but I don't think you will. It's more of a personal thing. Like, my mindset was to get a photo camera, which is the A9, mainly doing photos, photo jobs and everything else. And I'll have the FX3 for mainly doing videos, all video gigs and everything else. I'll use that one. This one here is the backup. This could help that one for doing videos. This could help this one in doing photos. And this could be my travel camera, my bash camera, my vlogging camera. This is everything. It's just so light. Please, don't wear gears, mate. Okay, that's it for the video today. I don't know what my purpose is for this video. I just want to film myself and get my thoughts out. So yeah, See you next time, guys.